What copper densities can CNC machine? The standard density of copper is approximately 8.96 grams per cubic centimeter. Common alloys such as brass at 8.4 to 8.7 grams per cubic centimeter and bronze at 8.0 to 8.9 grams per cubic centimeter are slightly lower, yet all possess excellent mechanical strength, corrosion resistance, and machinability. In practical manufacturing, copper and its alloys of different densities are widely used in electrical, mechanical, and decorative applications. In my production experience, pure copper is valued for its exceptional conductivity and thermal performance, making it ideal for electrical contacts, coils, and heat sinks. Brass and bronze, with superior wear resistance and dimensional stability, are commonly applied in bushings, gears, velvets, and decorative parts. These are applications demand tight dimensional tolerances and high service quality, which is why CNC machining plays a critical role. By utilizing 5-axis or multi-axis CNC milling machines, we can consistently achieve plus or minus 0.01 mm accuracy and RA 0.6 micrometer surface finish across copper materials of varying densities. With coated cutting tools, optimized cutting parameters, and effective coolant application, boosts caused by copper's conductivity are minimized, and thermal deformation is avoided. Whether it's high-density pure copper and optimized alloys such as brass and bronze, CNC machining can support a full range of needs, from single functional parts and small batch prototypes to large-scale production. This not only ensures precision and consistency, but also helps customers to reduce trial and error costs and accelerates product development cycles. For us, CNC machining of copper parts is not just a process option, it's the guarantee of high precision manufacturing and reliable performance. I'm Chloe, see you next time, bye!